Ready to launch your pediatric emergency medicine career in a place that's as vibrant as your future? Join BayCare's new Pediatric Emergency Medicine Fellowship Program, where innovation meets mentorship in sunny Tampa, Florida.
You won't be molded to fit the program. Instead, we tailor the program to fit you. Everything is built to be flexible, personalized, and high touch, so you can grow in the direction of your passions, whether that's trauma, simulation, injury prevention, or something else entirely.
As a fellow, you'll train alongside top pediatric emergency physicians in a supportive, hands-on environment where you'll receive weekly didactics, hot topic lectures and board review, simulation training led by a sim-trained physician, evidence-based education grounded in real-world cases, and a curriculum designed to repeat over 18 months so you'll master what matters most.
BayCare is a not-for-profit health system, which means we're driven by values, not revenue. We prioritize people, including our patients and our fellows.
You'll rotate through pediatric clinics and top-tier hospitals like St. Joseph's South and St. Joseph's Women's, gaining unique experience in OB care for patients under 20, pediatric cardiac intensive care, pediatric cardiac surgery, dual exposure to adult and pediatric trauma teams.
That kind of cardiac and OB exposure is rare in PEM training, but here it's built into your experience, which gives you a real edge.
I love that our fellows have the opportunity to experience both pediatric and adult perspectives. That variety sharpens clinical instincts and deepens decision-making.
You'll get every opportunity, every procedure, and every case without competition. We also invest in your long-term success with 5 conference days per year, a generous education stipend, paid licenses and certifications, research support, and presentation opportunities.
We want to train great physicians, but more than that, we want to welcome you to our family. You'll be more than a fellow here. You'll be part of something bigger.
And the location is unbeatable. You'll live where other people vacation. This is Tampa, where white sand beaches, world-class restaurants, major league sports, and a vibrant downtown all converge to create the perfect family-friendly lifestyle.
Whether you're single, married, or bringing your family along for the adventure, you'll find support and belonging in a city that has it all.
Our faculty includes some of the top PAM physicians in the region, and we're excited to help you step into the next phase of your career. Apply today or reach out to schedule a visit. We'd love to meet you in person. This is more than a pediatric emergency medicine fellowship. It's your future with BayCare.